Hi, everyone. This is Emily Norris, Manager of Career Services, and I am with you today to share 3 new features that are being added to our HNR home search app by Homespotter. So these are 3 great new features I'm super excited about, and I think that you'll share in my excitement. It's going to make your life a little bit easier and your clients' lives a little bit easier as well. So first and foremost, before we get into those great new features, I want to make sure that all of you have your home search app downloaded to your phone. So if you don't have that app downloaded already, I have a screenshot here where you can see how you can access your HNR home search app from your app store. So you'll just go to your app store, you'll type in Harry Norman Home Search, and you can see that the Harry Norman Home Search app by Homespotter is the first app to appear on my screen, okay? You'll download your app, and then you're gonna use the same credentials that you use to sign on to My HNR Office to log on to your app, okay? So the same username and the same password that you use on My HNR Office will be the same username and password that you use for your Harry Norman mobile app. See, it's easy already, right? Okay, so the 3 updates that are being added to your Homespotter app in order of my favorites. First and foremost, I think one of the most exciting new features that is now being offered on the HNR Home Search app is in-app messaging. So this means that you can send messages directly to your clients through the app, okay? Whether it's regarding a specific property in their home search, or if you want to send a message to another agent as well. So you have the ability now to talk directly with your client and talk directly with other agents through the app. So it really helps your business become a little bit more centralized in your communication with your clients, particularly when there are multiple buyers that you're working with, to kind of help streamline some of your communication. So you'll see that on every property detail page, there is an icon there that you can click to actually type in your message and send the message straight from the app. So that's on every property detail page that you now have that feature. Previously, we only had this little heart button that our clients could click on to indicate their interest in a property. But now our clients not only have the ability to click on that heart to favorite a property, but they can also send you over a message regarding that property and then vice versa. So hopefully this makes your communication a little bit more streamlined and helps personalize things a little bit more than previously. Once you send a message, you'll see that on your notification center of your phone, a little banner comes up, okay? So it'll give you a preview of what that message says, and then once you open up that banner, it'll take you directly to the app. Now, I know some of you thinking, well, what if I send over a message and my client does not have the app downloaded yet? Well, their banner will look a little bit different. They'll get this icon on their screen, and it will essentially give them a prompt to download the app to view your message, okay? So within that notification, there will be a link that they'll click, and that link will take them to their app store to download the app, okay? So if you're trying to talk your clients into downloading this app so it makes your communication a little bit more streamlined, and so that you kind of have a central place that you're doing the property search with them, this could be a great call to action, right? So you would send them over the message, and then they would get this notification that would prompt them to then visit the App Store and take the time to quickly download this app for their convenience as well. The other new feature is they now have the ability to hide a listing, okay? So if you have a saved search set up for your client using this app, or your client has set up their own search, and there's one listing that they have already ruled out, does not meet their criteria, now you see at the top right of their screen, next to this little arrow, there is a trash can icon. So once they trash that listing, it will be removed from that saved search. Now, it doesn't have to be removed forever. There's also going to be a way that they can access and edit the properties that they have hidden, okay? So if they accidentally trash a listing, or if for whatever reason they decide, you know what, we're having second thoughts about that one, they can bring that listing back by accessing those hidden properties by clicking the hamburger icon on the top left-hand side of their screen and editing their saved or their hidden homes there. And last but not least, the dashboard has gotten a very sleek new update. So it's going to just make the user experience a lot better all around. On the dashboard, though, I think one of the coolest things is you can actually see the engagement that your client is having with the app, okay? So you can see maybe the links that you've sent out when you shared your app, who's downloaded it, who hasn't. From there, you'll be able to see all your client information, including properties that your clients have favorited and saved that are high on their radar. You can manage your own profile and your app notifications there, okay? And then it gives you new ways that you can also share your app. And sharing your app becomes really beneficial to your business. You can add that to your website. You can add it to the signature of your email, so that anytime a client or a new prospect clicks on that link, they can download your very own Harry Norman personalized branded application. And how technologically savvy does that make you look? That makes you look so high tech, and it also gives you kind of that one-stop area to manage or help to manage the transaction a little bit easier with your client. So on that note, here is one of the areas that will be helpful if you want more information on these updates and changes. You can start here. This PowerPoint is going to be uploaded to this webinar, so you can download it, and then these are live links that'll help you get started with using the app. And then there's also a short video. If this wasn't quite enough detail for you, there's a little more detail that you can access as well by clicking right on the screenshot of the video here that'll take you through the full details with Homespotter. And then last but not least, just another quick call to action to make sure, of course, that you have downloaded your own personalized home search app by Homespotter. Okay, you'll use the same credentials, like I said, that you use for my HNR office. And again, one of the best things that you can do once you have this app downloaded is to add it to your email signature. You'll type in app.harrynorman.com, your first name and last name, and then from there, that live link will direct your clients, your prospective clients, to download your Harry Norman personally branded app to their phone. So I hope this was helpful. I hope all of these changes will be super impactful and helpful for your business. If you have any questions, of course, you know how to find me, emily.norris@harrynorman.com. Thanks so much for your time, and I will look forward to catching up with you soon. Have a great day.